10 months ago, I took a step that changed my life. I aimed to fundraise an investment of 441,000 shillings in a journey of growth at the Fearless Institute. I didn't know it then, but that decision opened doors to purpose, clarity, and a brand new vision for what my life could be. The Fearless Institute is a year-long leadership development journey by Mavuno Church. It's designed to forge leaders who are ready to make a real impact. Through this intensive program, my mindset was sharpened, my faith was strengthened, and I started to see the man God was shaping me to become. It wasn't just about learning theories. It was about practical application, about living out the principles of leadership in my daily life. The curriculum pushed me beyond my comfort zone, challenging my old ways of thinking and forcing me to confront my limitations. It helped me understand that leadership isn't about a title, but about influence, integrity, and a deep commitment to serving others. I found myself becoming more intentional, more focused, and more aligned with a purpose greater than myself. One of the most significant changes for me was developing a new habit, reading. I started devouring 2 to 3 books every single month. Each book wasn't just text on a page. It was a conversation with a mentor. These books challenged my perspectives, inspired new ideas, and pushed me to grow as a leader and as a person. I dove into topics like theology, personal development, and stewardship. A key lesson that stuck with me was about generosity. I learned that true generosity isn't about having an abundance of resources. It's not about waiting until you feel rich enough to give. Instead, it's an act of obedience and trust in God. It's about faithfully managing what you have, knowing that He is the ultimate provider. This shift in mindset from scarcity to stewardship changed everything for me. This whole journey of discovery and growth lit a fire in me, and I felt compelled to share what I was learning. It inspired me to write my very first book, titled Carried Through: Finding Strength in Life's Transitions. This book is my testimony. It captures the different seasons God has walked me through, detailing the struggles, the breakthroughs, and the unwavering faithfulness of God. It is about how He carried me from a place of uncertainty and doubt to one of clarity and purpose. It is a story for anyone who has ever felt lost in the middle of a major life change. I wanted to create a resource that could offer hope and practical wisdom to others navigating their own transitions. If this sounds like something you need, you can order a hard copy for only 1,200 Kenyan shillings. Just send a message on WhatsApp to 25478-2446878. My exposure from the Fearless Institute wasn't just about individual growth. It was about brotherhood. One of the highlights for me was hosting a young student from Uganda who was also part of the program. We had never met before, but our shared purpose created an instant connection, an immediate sense of brotherhood. We spent time sharing meals, with him and my family having deep conversations and mentoring each other. That experience taught me a profound lesson. Sometimes, the mission field isn't in a distant land. It can begin right in your own home, with the people God places in your path. It showed me the power of hospitality and the beauty of building relationships grounded in a common mission. During his stay, we faced a challenging evening while trying to get him to the airport for his flight back home. It was one of those nights where everything that could go wrong seemed to. The city was tense, and major roads were unexpectedly closed. We found ourselves navigating a maze of detours and uncertainties, with the clock ticking down. We didn't know if we would make it. It was a situation that tested my patience, my faith, and my ability to stay focused under pressure. In those moments of stress, it's easy to let panic take over, but the training I had received kicked in. I knew I had to remain calm and trust that there was a way through, even if I couldn't see it yet. In that moment of chaos, stuck in the car, I just prayed. It wasn't a long or elaborate prayer. I simply reminded God of His promise that He never fails. I asked for His guidance and His peace, and as soon as I did, a sense of calm washed over me. With a clear mind and a spirit of peace, I felt led to try a different route. Miraculously, we found an open road, and against all odds, we arrived at the airport safely and with time to spare. That night was a powerful reminder that God guides us even when the path isn't obvious. When we surrender our plans to Him, He makes a way. This experience, along with many others, solidified my passion for mission work. Serving others is one of the most fulfilling things you can do. It stretches you spiritually and emotionally, pushing you to rely on God in ways you never have before. But the joy that comes from it is unparalleled. Throughout my time in the program, I've had the privilege of seeing lives touched, hope restored, and people strengthened through simple acts of service and genuine connection. Whether it's through community outreach or one-on-one mentorship, being part of God's work in people's lives is an incredible honor. Our missions became even more impactful through partnerships. I saw the power of collaboration firsthand as we worked with other leaders, pastors, and the incredibly committed Kabamba team. Their expertise in street evangelism helped us amplify our message and reach a much wider audience. It was a beautiful picture of what happens when men unite for a common purpose. When we pool our strengths, our gifts, and our resources, the transformation we can achieve multiplies exponentially. It's a testament to the fact that we are truly better together. One of our most powerful outreaches was in Kikuyu. We went into the community with the simple goal of sharing hope and encouragement through the love of Jesus Christ. We held worship sessions, had meaningful conversations, and prayed with people. The response was incredible. We saw people's spirits lifted. We saw hope being restored in families, and we witnessed the tangible impact of God's love. Seeing lives change right before your eyes is the greatest reward of service. It's what fuels the passion and reminds you why you started in the first place. These moments are the true measure of success. From all these experiences, the leadership training, the brotherhood, the challenges, and the mission work, God placed a new and bold vision in my heart. The vision is to help equip every Mavuno church campus with professional audiovisual tools, an investment of about 1.2 million shillings per location. You can make donations of audiovisual equipment or finances to this effort. Support this vision today. Why? Because stories like this one matter. So join, walk this journey with me. When we capture stories of life change, we preserve the impact for future generations. When we document testimonies of God's faithfulness, we multiply hope and inspire others to believe for their own breakthroughs. Quality media allows us to share these powerful stories far beyond the four walls of the church. And now, I want to invite you to be a part of this journey. You can support the mission to equip our churches. You can join the vision to multiply hope through stories. WhatsApp or call me 254-7824-46878 to understand how. I await your call. And you can start by getting the book that tells the story behind it all, Carried Through, Finding Strength in Life's Transitions. This book is a top literary award nominee, another reason to get yourself a copy. It's more than just a book. It's an invitation to find strength in your own journey. The hard copy is only 1,200 shillings. To get your copy and support the mission, please send a WhatsApp message to 25478-2446878. This fearless journey continues. It's not over. In fact, it's just beginning. And God is still writing new chapters, not just for me, but for all of us. Will you be part of the story? Thank you for listening, and let us journey together. You too can be part of a story like the one I have just narrated. To order your copy of Carried Through today, please WhatsApp 25478-2446878. The copy can go to your friend or a person who comes to mind as you hear this. Thank you for listening. Now share this message with friends or family. I will appreciate that. I look forward to hearing from you and interacting with you. God bless you.